Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up paying your card early to avoid interest, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up early payments on your credit card, start by gathering your financial information. Log into your online banking account associated with your credit card. Locate the credit card section of your account dashboard. Review your current balance and payment due date. Identify how much you want to pay early. Navigate to the Payment Options menu. Select the option for making a payment. Choose the option to make an additional payment or early payment. Enter the amount you wish to pay. Select the funding account, if applicable. Confirm the payment date to ensure it processes early. Review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. Submit the payment request. Check for a confirmation message or email to verify the payment was successful. Monitor your credit card account to ensure the payment reflects in your balance. Repeat this process before each billing cycle to avoid future interest charges. Consider setting reminders a few days before your due date to stay on track. Stay informed about any changes to your credit card's terms regarding payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.